Hello everyone, my name is Greg King and welcome to How to Make My Business Show Up on Google Search. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 tips of how to get your business on the first page of YouTube. And in a moment, I'll show you examples of how it can be done within minutes, not hours, not months. However, with the examples, it can be done in less than 5 minutes. Well, it's been a long time, far too long, that most businesses have been shut down because of this COVID-19 concern. And the question that my clients and friends ask me is, how to make my business show up on Google search? Ever since the lockdown, people's buying habits have completely changed and no longer, well, over the last 3 months, have people been going in person to retail stores or to trade stores or to services and service offices. They're doing primarily online. And it was before the COVID-19 concerns at 47% was the searching. Now it's up to over 6% people searching before they actually make a decision, which is huge. And now the first 2 platforms, the major platforms, are Google number 1, then YouTube number 2, then Facebook number 3. However, I'm not a real fan of Facebook for businesses or promoting business because Facebook seems to be a little more of a social atmosphere. I don't go looking for widgets on Facebook. I go looking to see what my friend Al in Europe is doing. So the first thing you need to do is to create a new YouTube channel for business. Do not collapse your private YouTube channel. Make a brand new channel for your business. Next is make an interesting thumbnail, and I'll get a little into this in a couple of moments when I'll show you actual titles. And the thumbnail is really a title that you see when you go on the internet, when you look at YouTube and you look at Google. And it has to be compelling and it must stand out above the crowd. Third is organize your videos into playlist. You're going to have to make videos, and as painful as it may seem, it's free. It costs nothing. And if you make the proper amount of videos that we have in our 5-step program, you can be on the front page of YouTube immediately. Well, not immediately, 2 to 10 minutes. And then what happens is because Google and YouTube have the same parent company, it'll migrate into Google. And if you're not on, don't see it right away on Google, people will go right to YouTube and check it out as well. Number 4, learn about your audience. It's a demographic style of marketing, which is pretty straightforward when you look at where your business is. Number 5 is research your competition. So if you have a clothing store and the people beside you have jeans on sale for $200 and they're made offshore, what you can do is say these are American-made jeans, these are authentic labeled jeans, and they're only X amount of dollars. So politely bash your competition, but never take it out. Always basically have the high road. Pick the right titles. Keywords matter. It's all based on keywords, and I'll get a little more in depth in this because I have an ebook that will actually explain this. And I'll put it in as a bonus. It's free. It's a downloadable a file that you can just read it. But keywords is magical. So if you're looking for how to install a hot water tap on your bathroom sink, that is a keyword. And your video will go right to number 1 first page. It'll go on the first page, not number 1, but be on the first page. And I'll show you how you can actually completely monopolize the first page. The next is write a compelling video description. Not to say just fix this, but show some emotion saying, I know how you feel when that hot water doesn't come on in the morning, when you just want to wash your face and have that nice relaxing beginning to the day, and it's not going to happen. So something that's emotional driven, not logical driven. Now, this next thing I want to discuss, and I touched on it briefly just a couple of moments ago, and that is my ebook, and it's a media marketing, and it's called How to Promote Your Business on Google. And it will show you the different steps you need to take and what works and what doesn't work. Now, next, I want to get into the meat of the program and showing how successful that one can actually be on getting on the first page organically, costs nothing. It can stay up there for a long period of time and also drive a lot of business where you can crush the competition and be head and shoulders above your competition. The first example is what I did, and was how to use social media for small business marketing. And as you see down here, this is called a thumbnail. And as goofy as it looks, it makes a difference because it stands out from the crowd. So it got onto the first page. Now these are paid ads. So these ones below are organic. So I ranked up here, actually it was number 4, it wasn't number 3, but I ranked up here in one day. The second example, once again, organically posted. The first 3 are ads, and then I got ranked this time for sure, number 3 on how to promote business on Google. And that happened in just 18 hours. Now, it actually gets better from here because number 3, once again, organic, first page, costs nothing, stays up here for a long period of time. It ranked number 3 in just, check it out, 7 minutes. Next one is example 4, and once again, it was organically posted. First page, ranked number 3, and that occurred in just 4 minutes. I kid you not. When you're looking at these other ads that take 8 months, 1 year, 2 years, with this program that we have, that I've been using, and it's in the book, I touched briefly on the book, is in 4 minutes. You get up there immediately. Now, number 5 is awesome because this happened in 1 minute. And as you can see right here, it took 1 minute to get up. Not only that, as a bonus, I'm actually number 2 and number 3, number 3 and number 4, or 50% of the first page. Next example, once again, organically posted. First page, ranked number 3. It took 7 minutes. Now, the beauty on that is it's not only ranking number 3, but my previous videos are now ranking number 4 and number 6. So I'm getting 50% of the top videos on the first page, which is starting to become a real industry leader. And I only show you this because you can do this to your trades, you can do this to retail, you can do this to any platform and work very effective. The next example, once again, organically posted, first page, ranked number 7. It took 3 minutes. You can see right here, how to promote your business locally. Now, with that, I also got ranking number 3, number 5, and number 8. So 50% exposure on the first page. Now, the final example, number 8, actually shows you the impact of how you can actually crush the competition. Once again, ranked number 3, plus I've got the 4th ranking, the 5th ranking, the 6th ranking. So the 4 of the 6 top spots are my videos. Now that's over 66% of the first page in organically grown videos. And you can see it took less than a week to actually pull this all together. So my question is, can you see now how you can actually crush the competition when it comes to using YouTube? Now, with a couple of other steps, this will migrate right into Google as well, and you will be able to have the same success, once again, because it's the same company. Thank you for watching my video today, and if you found it informative and of value, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. That way you won't miss any more of my future videos. Have a great day.